So how does this AI agent search the web and summarize results? We begin by running our main research flow, prompting us to input a topic to begin researching and initializing our web search agent. In the initialization, our code sets up our agent with the client to connect to our Gemini model, checks to make sure our environment keys are set, and creates a connection to Google servers to be able to use the Google Search API. Once we have that, we pass our topic to our search agent's run method. In this run method, we create a prompt which essentially says to return 3 of the best search terms based on our topic, and we send that prompt to the LLM. These search terms are then queried using our Google Custom Search API. The agent retrieves the title, URL, and snippet for the top results of each search and returns them to the main flow. The main flow then passes those results to our summary report agent. This agent gives the data to our Gemini 2.5 Flash model, and our LLM summarizes it all into a clean markdown report. Finally, the report is saved to your local directory. I will drop the GitHub link to this code down in the description so you can play around with it yourself. Now let's demo the code. Before we run the code, we need to make sure you have all your keys in order to be able to access the APIs. All of these are free, and I'll link in the description how to get each of them. Now, if I were to run this code, it begins with asking what topic you want to research. For this example, I will put detrimental effects of social media on young adults. I also added print statements at each major step so we can see in real time what's going on. We pass the topic to our LLM to get our search terms. Once we have our search terms, we use the Google Search API to search potential articles on this. We get our results and feed it into our LLM to be summarized. The LLM summarizes it and we get a markdown page report, as we can see here, based on the URLs we were given. But this was an example of a very basic multi-agent system that works together to research and summarize based on a specific topic. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and let me know what other kinds of videos might help you in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.